Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest and most effortless way. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video multiple times. That's it. Learning has never been so easy and fun. Today's topic is a tasty one. We're going to answer the delicious mystery. Why do Americans put ketchup on everything? From fries to burgers, scrambled eggs to meatloaf, even macaroni and cheese. Ketchup is everywhere in the United States. But why? Let's find out. Ketchup is a sweet and tangy tomato-based sauce that has become a staple in almost every American kitchen. It's one of the most popular condiments in the country. But did you know that ketchup didn't even start as a tomato product? Originally, it came from Asia and was made with fermented fish. Over time, the recipe changed, and by the 1800s, tomato ketchup became the version Americans fell in love with. The flavor of ketchup is both sweet and acidic, which pairs well with salty or savory foods. It adds contrast and moisture, and for many people, it brings a sense of comfort and nostalgia. Children grow up dipping chicken nuggets and French fries in a ketchup, and the habit often sticks with them into adulthood. But it's not just about the taste. Ketchup also became a cultural icon thanks to companies like Heinz, which began mass-producing it in the late 19th century. Through advertising and clever marketing, ketchup found its way onto every table in diners, restaurants, school cafeterias, and homes across the U.S. In fact, some Americans use ketchup in very creative ways. It's mixed in a meatloaf, added to sauces, or even used as a topping for eggs. While some people around the world find these habits strange, in the United States, ketchup is a trusted friend, always ready to add a burst of flavor. Of course, not everyone agrees on where ketchup belongs. There's even a national debate about whether it should go on hot dogs, especially in Chicago, where many people strongly believe it shouldn't. But despite the disagreements, one thing is clear: ketchup is an essential part of American food culture. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this tasty journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's very important for mastering English and understanding American culture. And of course, like this video and share it to help us keep growing and making even better content. See you in the next adventure.